like me, bro.
No.
Come on, man.
I'm little quiet.
You look Quan.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to be making banana fries.
It's the D.Chanel and Quan show. Let's ride.
Alright, so first you're going to turn on the stove to medium or low heat. And you're going to add in your oil. Grapeseed oil.
Add that grapeseed, gang. Look at that thing, gang. Look at that thing. Hey. Hey, look at that thing, gang. Look at that thing. Hey. Hey.
You're going to let it get hot a little bit. You know, swirl it around so it covers the pan.
Still getting hot?
Stick your finger in and see if it sizzles.
How about you do it?
Yeah, you first.
I want to watch you.
You go ahead. You supposed to do it. No, you do it first. Go ahead.
I want to be like you, so go ahead.
No, I want to be like you.
You gotta show me what to do. Go ahead and show me.
I'm telling you what to do.
No, don't
That's
tell
better.
me, show me. No, because I might mess up. You gotta do it.
No, I promise you won't. You follow these directions. Okay, that might be hot enough. We're gonna see. Then you're gonna stick your bananas in there. That's 2 minutes. Let them get a little brown, just a tad.
A little brown.
And then you're gonna flip them.
Flip on. Get down. Get down.
Once it's all flipped, go ahead and add in all the rest of your ingredients. So the onions, the bell pepper, the salt, and then cayenne pepper.
Wait.
And then cook until the onions are caramelized.
Man, I don't fuck the bananas up, man.
Result.
Look at the
banana fries.
Yeah.
You ready to taste?
Yeah, of course. You got my fried onion in there. Now, make sure we get a banana. A little bit of everything right here. A little bit of, no, it's running from me.
Oh, catch it. There you go. Don't let it catch you.
Not bad. I see where they were going with it. The pepper bouncing off the sweetness of the banana. I see where they were going with this. This ain't bad. This is another island type of dish. This is another island type of dish. Like it's straight from the Caribbean or something. I like this. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's like a banger that I could just whip up. I probably wouldn't whip it up. But if it was something that you had made, I'd be like, oh yeah, you can go ahead and throw me a little bit on a small little sauce, small little platter, little plate, you know what I'm saying? This is decent on a scale from 1 to 10. I get this thing like 7.5. No, that's pretty decent. What about you?
I feel like I want to add like some cinnamon or something like that.
That's probably fresh. That's probably fresh.
That's just giving me that feeling like I want to add like cinnamon or something.
Ooh, the
Something
banana.
over it.
There's something about that fried banana. That motherfucker kind of good. I like that.
But I'll give it like a 6. Yeah.
It's pretty smooth, no lie.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie. Even though the ratings ain't as high, I recommend y'all to actually try this. You know what I'm saying? This is pretty decent. I like it. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
But don't go off of our opinion. If this is something that catches your eye, something that you would like to check out, try or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and jump up in that description. We got all the recipes and how to make it and everything, you know what I'm saying? Give it a shot for yourself, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, this is the D.Chanel and Quan show. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, like the video, and jump in that comment section, and we out.